Persona Builder Assistant helps you define who your marketing is actually for and who it's not. If you've ever struggled with vague messaging or your marketing is attracting the wrong people, this tool walks you through a structured process to create 3 complete customer personas with clarity that actually informs your strategy. You'll define basic demographics, interests, pain points, and goals for each persona. Then you'll go deeper, exploring what influences their buying decisions, where they are in their journey when they encounter your brand, and what kind of support they need to move forward. By the end of this process, you'll also identify audience types that are misaligned with your mission, so you can stop wasting time trying to serve everybody. This assistant gives you the insight to guide your messaging, offers, and targeting with confidence. And if your business grows or shifts, you can always come back and update your personas at any time. If you have a team or a marketing vendor, your outputs become a plug-and-play briefing document to align everyone so that you can ensure your marketing is hitting the right targets. So what are you waiting for? Buy the Persona Builder Assistant today and get started refining your customer personas.